Hello there, welcome to Area Paris. The comments on my the two different versions that Kennedy had. Let's get started. Next, the Kennedy had in the 2003 VHS. Use the front, spine, and the back. Um, 1 hour and 22 minutes. 22 minutes. It used to take its in-stick label. $40 weekend of 2003. Next, the Kennedy hat is the 2003 DVD. Use front spine in the back. This is what this is. use disc. Okay, that's it. And there's the vouchers. The Kennedy had the 2003 VHS, and the Kennedy had the 2003 DVD. Fix one to the YouTube. Goodbye.